Hello, my name is Dmitry Chernyak and I want to demonstrate today the accelerometer mounting check technology. Accelerometer mounting check will take care about your accelerometers, so the accelerometers are mounted properly during your test. So first what I'll be doing is starting BK Connect, and in the BK Connect taking time data recorder, one of the most typical application for our customers. And here I go straight to accelerometer mounting check task. I have a 6-channel module with 4 accelerometers type 4533S that are accelerometer mounting check enabled, and our accelerometer is 4507 that doesn't support accelerometer mounting check technology. The procedure is quite simple. First I just make sure that the accelerometers are mounted in my structure in a proper way, and then just click measure reference. It'll take a little bit of time. If you have several modules, the things are done simultaneously for all the modules, but inside the modules the reference is done channel by channel. Accelerometer mounting check will of course check only the channels that are supported. So the first 4 channels are supported, the last one is not, because 4507, this small accelerometer, doesn't support the technology. So the reference are done, so probably the most natural way is just do check right away, just to make sure that nothing has changed since we made the reference, and of course nothing has changed. So you can see after that all our 4 accelerometers are green, and the table says check passed. Most natural thing again is just to do our main job, actually do the recordings. So for example, I just start recording and start exciting the structure, for example like for operational model analysis, data acquisition or something else. Let's say I'm done with the first run. I stop measurement and I want to check that all my accelerometers are still mounted properly. So I'm coming back to accelerometer mounting check task and simply click the check button. So you can see the green light changing here. Everything is okay. I can go again to the measure. Maybe reset the measurement. Let's wait till all signals settle and we start measurements again. Now let's imitate that during our measurement one accelerometer fall off the structure. And we did notice that. The recording is done, and again we go back to accelerometer mounting check task and do check again. So you see this channel 2 is actually failed, and we can see it in the status as well. Accelerometer mounting check works on most structures, but it can fail on structures that are made of very light material like wood or plastic, or if it's the metal structures but it's a very thin metal sheet. So I will mount accelerometer on this hard drive. The housing is made of very thin metal, and we support a technology that just allows you to see if the structure is okay for accelerometer mounting check or not. This wizard called run pretest. So I will do this pretest. I'll select the accelerometer, the only one that I will be mounted in the structure. Then the wizard asks me to hang accelerometer in air and try to measure, and then mount it in the structure and do the second measurement. And now you can see that this structure is not good for accelerometer mounting check. So if accelerometer falls off from such a structure, it will not be detected by the technology. If I mount it in a more heavy, more solid structure, of course everything should be okay. That finalizes my demonstration. Thank you for your attention.